Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea premix. First, choose your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or a fragrant herbal blend. Next, steep your tea in hot water to create a strong concentrate. This will be the base for your premix. Ensure the tea is brewed to your desired strength. Finally, allow this concentrate to cool completely to room temperature before moving on to the next steps. Now it's time to sweeten and flavor your tea concentrate. You can add your preferred sweetener, like granulated sugar, simple syrup, or honey, stirring until it fully dissolves. For an extra layer of flavor, consider infusing it with fresh lemon slices, orange wedges, or a sprig of mint. Taste and adjust the sweetness and flavorings until it's just right for you. Once your iced tea premix is perfectly flavored, transfer it into a clean, airtight container. Store this concentrate in your refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days, ready whenever you crave a cool drink. To serve, simply pour 1 part premix into a glass, add 2 parts cold water, and fill with ice for an instant, refreshing iced tea. Get creative with your iced tea premix. Try adding fruit purees like peach or berry for a fruity twist, or mix it with sparkling water for a refreshing fizzy drink. You can even freeze portions of your premix into ice cubes to prevent dilution when serving. For more great ideas and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.